Guys, Big Slim RC here with a 2005 Traxxas Villain. A little yellowed, but the hull was in great condition. I gave her some new paint, built a trailer for it, and changed up some electronics. The stock 540 Stinger motors were in good working condition, so I put some water-cooled heat sinks on them. I added a water pump to circulate all that extra water flow and replaced the receiver with a TQI and the ESC with an 80 amp. Everything seems to work great. I got it out on the local creek and gave it a maiden, and I'm in love, guys. Hope you like it. The Traxxas Villain was Traxxas' first attempt at an RC boat, and they modeled it after the late 80s 30-foot Chaparral Villain 4 offshore boat, and it really gives that offshore Miami vibe, kind of a retro look. Really cool. I went with a paint job that would kind of match that same style. If you watched this far, I'd appreciate a like and a follow if you haven't already. And if you have a villain of your own, tell me about it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for watching.